what it will be? The next difference also will be 6. I want to find out question mark. So 36 plus 6 will be 42. The last difference was 42. I added 6 to that and it became 52. Now from that, so that's same. 18, 24, 30, 36. Extra number I got 42. How I got 42? 36 plus the 6 difference of 6. That makes it 42. Then here, next, I'll go one line up from there. 19. I know 19. 19 is from your that difference. 19. 19 plus 18, 37. 37 plus 24, 61. 61 plus 30, 91. 91 plus 36, 127. 127 plus 42, 169. This is difference. Still, I have not got the numbers. The next. Again, the series now. I got the series. First 9, 28, 65, 126, 217, 344. This is given in the original question. Now, 344 plus 169 will make it 513. Okay? Yes. Now, dear student, say unnecessary. This is not necessary to do all these things. You can find out that easily. Now, say another way of finding out that number. Alternatively, if you remember the cubes of 1, the cubes are 1, 8, 27 cube. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. Now look at your series. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 31, 343, and so on. They are the cubes. Now look at the series. I wrote it purposely. Below 8, there is a 9. 27. Below 27, there is 28. Below 64, there is 65. 125. Below that, 126. 216. Below that, 217. 344 and question mark. Are you getting some clue? The clue is the cube plus 1. 8 is the cube. Plus 1 is 9. 27 is the cube. Plus 1 is 28. So 8 is 2 cube, 27 is 3, 64 is 4 cube, 125 is 5, 6 ka cube is 216, 7 ka cube is 343 plus 1, it is 344. So what is the next number? 8 cube plus 1. Here it is. It's cube plus 1. Therefore, the next number is 8 cube plus 1. And the answer is 513. So this is alternative method. You can see the red line. Above the red line, it is quite, but there you are not getting, आपको पता ही नहीं चला कि वो क्यूब के आसपास के नंबर है, तो डिफरेंस वाला मेथड उसमें मगजमारी होगा. आपको क्यूब याद है तो आप इधर से फटाक से कर लेंगे ये आंसर. Now whether you are doing it by first method, whether you are doing it by second method, both the methods are right. जो आपको याद आ गया, जिससे आपका आंसर आ गया, that is the perfect method. ये मेथड अच्छा, वो मेथड अच्छा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Both are equally good. जो आपको याद आ गई वो सबसे बेस्ट मेथड, क्योंकि वो आपको याद आई. So ये अच्छा या वो अच्छा नहीं, आपको नहीं समझता है तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ डिफरेंस पे जाओ. आपके दिमाग में आ गया कि अरे यार ये तो सारे क्यूब्स है, तो इजी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. Here it says sometime two different series are merged. Next thing is sometime two different series are merged. Merging of two series, two things will be merged. Now look at this. For example, first example, 10, 64, 15, 60, 20, 56, 25. So your alternate numbers forms a series. First number is 10, skip second number, come to the third one, 15, skip the third one, the next one, 20, 25. So this is one series. And the second series is 2, 4, odd number and even number series. This is 64, 60, 56, and then question mark. So here you should know what is the question mark is. Leave first series, look at only the second series. 64 minus 4 is 60, minus 4 is 56. So 56 minus 4 is 52. So in place of question mark, there should be 52. So don't look at here, difference of difference will not work because it's not a single series. Two series are merged. Alternate number series it is. So हमको कैसे पता चलेगा difference of difference नहीं आ रहा है, तो फिर ये सोचना है क्या ये merging वाली series है. When we'll solve the sums, we will come across certain things. Then another example, look at this. 72, 80, 88. After 88, 74, 72 and question mark. So this is first three numbers and then next three numbers. One series 1 is your 72, 80 and 88. Second series 72, 74, 72 and question mark. Sir, how do I know it? देखो 72, increase 80, increase 88, now decrease. So when it is increasing, first is increase, second is increase, third one also has to be increased, but it is not increasing. So that gives me a hint. That is, this is different series. So 72, 74, 72. What will the next number? Next number will be 70. So even this type of sums will be asked to you. Next, there are few series where you will have to think before solving it. कोई मेथड नहीं, अभी जैसा ऊपर वाला था, इसको आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, सोचने के बाद आपको कंक्लूजन मिलेगा और आपको सॉल्व करना है. Important. Here in series sums, the method is not important or correct or wrong. As long as you are getting the correct answer, your method is correct. आपको आंसर सही आ रहा है तो आपका मेथड सही है. देखो अभी मैं इधर भी बोल रहा हूँ. So sometime my method and your method may differ, but as long as you are getting the correct answer, then your method is also correct. That is, it's alternative method. If you want, you can always share that method with all of us. Okay, or you can ask me, I'll tell you whether that is right method or no. So I'll be solving the sums by one method. In some cases, alternative method will be possible, but answer will be the same. So if you think you saw that cube wala series, I solved it by difference method. Even that cube plus 1 was there. So I got it cube plus 1. You got it by difference method. Will do. Answer should be the same. So we'll be starting with now question answer. This is a brief idea what you are going to do, how we are going to solve the sums of series. I hope up till now there's no problem. So what to remember? Squares you have to remember up to 20. You have to remember cube. Then you have to remember those prime numbers. 15 and then those were 10. Total 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी.
Now, before we start with the question, explanation and answer, all questions are taken from CA Foundation Study Material or CS EET. That is a mistake. I thought it is eligibility entrance exam. So it is eligibility entrance test. So EET study material. In short, for CA Foundation Study Material and CS Study Material, all the questions are taken from there. These questions which we'll be discussing, there is no need for you to take down those. Before the next lecture, I'll make sure all of you will receive PDF files for this questions. I'm talking about questions. Okay. Answers you may write down, and you keep, even if you want to write down the questions, you can always write questions. It will be a simple 4-5 numbers you have to write. Series it is. Okay, but definitely you'll be getting PDF file. Another says all questions are MCQ based. MCQ based means you'll be given options. Series will be given, and then you will have A, B, C, D option. You have to select the correct one and you have to mark it. Here, most of the time, here when we'll do it, most of the time, I'm not showing you the options. A, B, C, D नहीं बताऊंगा मैं. अपन direct answer find out करेंगे. ये answer है. Okay, that is what is more important. And then you'll check whether what answer. Suppose we got answer as 7. So A is 7 or B is 7, C is 7, and that you have to find out. In some questions, I'm giving options. But in majority of the questions, I'm not giving options. Answer to each question will be provided after brief explanation. सबका आंसर रहेगा इधर. जितने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए जा रहे हैं सबके आंसर्स मिलेंगे. एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा और फिर आंसर आएगा. You will be provided with few questions on each chapter as homework in PDF format. We'll be sending you PDF formats homework. The questions which I'm discussing now, those questions PDF file also will be given to you. That will come to you before next lecture. That's sure. You can say by tomorrow evening you should receive this PDF file, okay, with whatever questions we are going to discuss. Okay, there are 61 questions from foundation and there are some questions from your CS. Even you can practice this LR questions from our pre-exam app. We have A1 Commerce Academy is having that app called as pre-exam app. If you have got it, fine. If not, ask them and download this pre-exam app. And on this also, you can practice this LR questions. Now, first, we'll take all questions from CA Foundation study material. And then once CA Foundation is over, I'll tell you, there is now foundation questions are over. Let's move on to CA. Now, you may say foundation questions are important only for foundation. No. These are questions or number series. So questions can be anything. As I said, some questions are common also. So I'll eliminate those questions. Okay. When we'll go to CS, here comes the first question. Now look at this series. 6, 11, 21, 36, 56. I'm giving you a minute or so, half a minute or so. Think what will be there at the place of question mark. You can use your own method. Don't give me the answer. Keep the answer ready with you. I'm giving you 15 minutes. Sorry, not 15 minutes, 15 seconds. Sorry. Yeah. Here comes the explanation. The difference is 5, 10, 15, 20, 6 and 11. 11 minus 6, 5. 21 minus 11, 10. 36 minus 21, 15. 56 minus 36, 20. So the difference is 20. So what will the next difference? Now don't find out difference of difference. You can do that, but there's no need. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So the next difference is to be 25. And therefore, the next number will be 56 plus 25. So the answer is 81. 56 plus 25. 6, 5, 11, carry 1. 5 and 3, 8. 81. So there is a question. So what will be the answer? Answer is 81. I have underlined it. So question number 1 is over. So if you want, you may write down the question. It's very simple. 6, 11, 21, 36, 56 question mark. Then you write answer and dash, you put a dash and write 81 is the answer. Answer is 81. Let's go to the second question. Easy. Again, I'll give you 15 seconds to think over it. 10, 100, 200, 310 question mark. Your time starts now. 15 seconds. Keep ready answers with you only. Don't type. आंसर आप ही के पास रखो, निकालो, आपके पास रखो. 15 सेकंड होने के बाद मैं आगे बढ़ता हूं. Got the answer? Check now with my answer. The difference between 10 and 100 is 90. That is 100 minus 10 is 90. 200 minus 100 is 100. 310 minus 200 is 110. So the next difference will be 120. Difference is increasing by 10. 90 से 100 हुआ, 100 से 110 हुआ. So next difference will be 120. What is our last number given there? 310 plus. Now the difference is 120. 310 plus 120. The answer is 430. There's no need to write down the explanation. I'm giving you explanation also along with the answer. So answer is 430. आपका MCQ question से आपको आंसर आना चाहिए. Third question. Again, 15 seconds you have. Okay, here. The difference. 11 and 13 का difference 2. 13 and 70 का difference, 17 का difference 4. So then next 2, then 4, then 2, then 4. You're getting the difference. So I told you, best method to solve is difference method. So now you got 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. It's a pair. Difference first 2, then 4, then 2, then 4, then 2, then 4. The next difference has to be 2. After that, it will be 4. Correct? So 29 plus 2. So answer is 31. If you want, you may write down the explanation also. Next question. You have 15 seconds again. 6, 12, 21, 33, question mark.